is a very special coming together of not only the legacy of SigmaNEST, but also the addition now and the collaboration with our other Sandvik companies in the Innovation Hub. What I think we can for sure expect from the Innovation Hub is a great number of sharings, both from a technology perspective, from a process perspective, a workflow, customer pain points that we want to address. We're really excited about the opportunity to sort of share collaborations and ideas amongst the many companies based here for the Innovation Hub. So on top of that, we're also discussing ways in which we can take advantage of being together to better serve the Indian market. So together with technologies, ideas, and processes, we're also going to take those ideas into the market together. Hi, I'm Patrick Beaulieu. I am the president of BU SigmaNEST. The Innovation Hub for us, we have SigmaNEST has nearly 40 people in the Innovation Hub. It's a great opportunity for us to share ideas amongst the team, and so literally we will sit side by side with BU partners from other brands, and we are already sharing ideas on how we can better improve our products, how do we serve customers' pain points and improve them, and again, ideas around how we take these combined products to market sort of thing. So for us, it is an incredibly important collaboration, physical facility, representation of what we want to achieve as a company.
For Connected Shop specifically, we're looking forward to integrate it into other brands and make Connected Shop available for companies, not just in cutting sheet metal, but also in 3D products. We already have it for SolidWorks, integration with Tube, so we want to expand further and look forward to more innovation.
This collaboration with Sandvik, I could see that there is a lot of opportunity for collaboration with other businesses, since other intelligent manufacturing business units in Sandvik, and looking forward what kind of opportunities it can bring to SigmaNEST and what we can offer to other companies in this Sandvik India Innovation Hub.